Hello to our team members and of course yung mga partners natin dito sa SMDC Team Apex. And I'm here to talk to you about Light 2 Residences, which is one of the best and top selling projects of SMDC, no? So papakita ko po sa inyo paano nyo ba mapupush itong project na to dun sa mga investors natin, yung mga prospects natin, no, na naghahanap ng magandang investment dito, especially in Metro Manila, no? So sige, share ko yung presentation ko ngayon. Okay, so Light 2 Residences again is located in EDSA Boni MRT Station. So quick facts lang muna tayo dito sa project na to. So yun nga, EDSA, corner Madison Street, Mandaluyong City, yung exact address po natin dito. And ang lot area natin is 10,936 square meters, so almost 1.1 hectares po yan. And ang building footprint natin is 7,300 square meters. Ibig sabihin yung tinayuan ng building is 7,300 square meters and the rest of it, yung remaining po is our internal roads and open spaces natin, no? And we have 2 towers for this project and 53 stories each, and we have a total of 4,190 units po dito sa Light 2 Residences, no? So again, ano ba yung reasons, no? So we have 7 reasons why Light 2 Residences is a great investment. So I hope you can share this to your clients, no, pag nagpe-present po tayo. And of course, ang pinakaunang reason kung bakit magandang investment ito is because of the central location, no? So if you're not familiar po, no? So dito sa area na to, we have two projects na nauna dito, which is yung Light 1 Residences na katabi nito and yung Fame Residences, no, which is also our top selling projects. So ang ganda kasi ng location na to kasi it's very near the commercial areas, commercial districts po dito sa Mandaluyong, yung mga Greenfield District. It's also walking distance to SM Mega Mall. Pag pupunta ka ng Makati, napakalapit lang, less than 5 kilometers away. Kung pupunta ka naman po ng airport, it's less than 10 kilometers away. Kung pupunta din po kayo ng SM Mall of Asia, no, and SM North EDSA, halos pareho lang yung distance niya, no? So equidistant nga po siya. So tinatawag din po itong Mandaluyong na the heart of Metro Manila. Bakit? Kasi kung makikita niyo po dito, parang heart-shaped yung Mandaluyong City, no? Kasi nga nandito po yung nasa gitna ka basically ng 3 major business districts in Metro Manila, which is Ortigas, Makati, and Bonifacio Global City, no? And it's very accessible to the north and south of Metro Manila, no? And of course, dahil na rin po dito sa number 2 na reason natin, which is it's very near transport-oriented developments, no? So dahil nasa EDSA po siya, it has a direct access to Boni MRT station. So yung Light 1 Residences po na existing natin, yung mall po doon is connected po dun sa second floor, papunta dun po sa Boni MRT station, and magko-connect din po yon dun sa Light 2 Residences natin. It's also 1.5 kilometers away only from the future Ortigas South Station of the Mega Manila Subway. So ngayon po, under construction na po itong Mega Manila Subway, and alam naman po natin na kapag merong mga transport-oriented developments, mas mabilis tumataas yung mga value ng property, at syempre, mas mataas yung demand ng rental dahil po dito sa mga transport hubs na malapit po sa developments natin, no? And of course, the third reason bakit napakaganda po ng project na to is because of the BGC Ortigas Center link, no? So, 'di ba, syempre pag pumunta po tayo ng Bonifacio Global City, yung tinatawag natin na BGC, sobrang taas ng value ng mga properties dito. Sobrang mahal, 'di ba? Halos twice or 3 times the value of our project here in Light 2 Residences, no? Pero alam niyo po ba na kapag meron kayong unit dito sa Mandaluyong area, specifically sa Light 2 Residences, 12 minutes away na lang, no, because of this bridge. Kasi tatawid lang tayo ng Pasig River, nandun na tayo sa Kalayaan, nandun na tayo sa Bonifacio Global City, no? So ano na po 'yan? Tapos na itong bridge na to, na dadaanan na po siya as of today, no? Ito po yung actual picture nung BGC Ortigas Center link, no? So ito po yung papunta ng Bonifacio Global City, at dito naman po pagtawid natin, dito naman papunta yung Kapitolyo at at yung Light 2 residences, no? And of course, the fourth reason bakit ang ganda po talaga nitong project na to, alam nyo po ba that Light 2 residences, ito po yung nag-iisang development namin na merong 3 floors na mall on the ground floor, dun po sa baba nun pong development, no? It has the biggest mall under the SMDC condo, no? So ito po yung Light Mall New Wing under Light 2 Residences. So it is a premier mall with 3 levels. May 2 commercial parking levels and sa basement po yun, no? So ito po yung designs natin of our Light 2 mall, no? So yan po siya, 2 floors po yan, tapos meron pang basement level. So this will be the design po dun sa ground floor natin. Kita nyo naman, ito yung EDSA. Pagpunta nyo po dito, ito yung main entrance natin, yung main podium natin. So, this will be a very premier mall with premier shops and premier coffee shops and of course, mga restaurants po natin. So, isipin nyo, pagbaba nyo pa lang po from your elevator, nandun na kayo sa Premier Mall, di ba? So, gaano kasarap tumira dito at gaano kasarap paupahan po itong Light 2 Residences if we have this. And again, this is an addition to the existing Light Mall po dun sa Light 1 Residences natin, no? So, there will be a link bridge connecting Light 2 to Light 1 and ito naman po yung initial designs natin for the Light 2 Residences Mall, no? So, yun po, 3-story full-blown mall at the foot of our home dwellers, no? So, yan. So, ito po yung existing na Light Mall natin. Makikita nyo yung actual photo on the right bottom part of your screens. Meron po dyang cinema, may Medical City, may Ace Hardware. Of course, may supermarket po dyan, may BDO, and of course, a lot of restaurants like Jollibee, may mga K-barbecue dyan. So, tapos, ito po, nasa taas naman, upper portion, makikita nyo naman po dito yung bridgeway from Light 2 Residences going to Light 1 Mall. Okay? So, di ba? Napaka-accessible. Lahat nandun na po pagbaba natin sa ground floor. Okay? And of course, the fifth reason bakit po napakagandang i-offer po nitong Light 2 Residences sa mga clients natin, sa prospects natin is because of high rentability. So, alam nyo naman po, this is located along EDSA. So, syempre, millions of people pass by it every day. Yung mga nakasakay sa MRT, mga nakaangkas, mga naka-UV Express, mga nakakotse, di ba? So, syempre, meron din tayong mall sa baba, yung mga light mall goers, yung light residences, syempre, nandun din po yan. Marami nang nagpapa-Airbnb dyan at nagpapa-rent dyan, di ba? At alam nyo po ba na ang light residences, yung existing light residences natin, it has a very high demand for tenants, no? Ang dami pong umuupa dyan, ang daming nag-Airbnb dyan. Actually nga po, kami sa team namin, minsan pag nandyan kami sa light residences, sa light mall, ang dami naming nabibenta dyan na mga nagre-rent lang at mga nag-Airbnb lang dun sa existing units sa light residences, no? And of course, napakadami din pong nagre-rent dito sa light residences sa area na to ng mga taga North Metro Manila, taga Bulacan, taga Fairview, taga Pampanga, 'di ba? Na nagtatrabaho sa Bonifacio Global City, nagtatrabaho sa Makati, 'di ba? Ginagawa nilang halfway home. Kaya nga naman po, 'di ba? Kaysa naman mag-commute sila araw-araw, magkano yung gagastusin nila at yung oras na gugugulin nila sa commute, di mag-rent na lang po sila dito sa light residences or sa light 2 residences. Okay? And of course, number 6, yan, 6 reason bakit napakagandang i-offer po ng light 2 residences. It's because of the huge and upscale amenity area of this project, no? So unlike our previous project, ito talaga full-blown na talagang resort-style amenities po ang mga amenities natin dito, no? Kasi we have 2 amenity levels po. Hindi po katulad ng mga previous projects namin dati na isang level lang, tapos nilagyan lang ng pool, nilagyan ng gym, okay na. So dito po talagang pinag-isipan yung mga amenities natin, no? So we have 2 amenity levels on the 7th and on the 8th floor. So dito po sa 7th floor natin, nandito po may part po dito na parking area and some part of it are amenities, no? Nandito po yung lounge areas natin, yung fitness gym natin, nandito rin po siya. And of course, our function halls are also here on the 7th floor. Tapos we have another lounge area over here, no? So again, ito pong mga amenities natin, this is an extension of our unit. So kapag meron po kayong mga bisita, may mga friends kayo, pwede nyo silang dalhin dito para ma-enjoy din nila yung mga amenities po natin, no? So, alam nyo po ba na yung amenity area ni Light 2 Residences was outsourced pa po yung designs natin, no? And ang designer po natin dito is si Mr. Adrian Norman of Hong Kong, no? So kung hindi niyo po matatanong, si Mr. Adrian Norman din po ang nag-design ng Gold Residences amenity area natin, Gold City, no? And Gold Reso na amenity area, no? So dito talagang big time yung pong designer natin. Hindi lang po yung mga in-house designers namin in SMDC, no? And ito po, here is a sample amenity na ginawa po niya dun sa Sandcrawler in Singapore. Okay? So, yan. And here is the 8th floor amenity area naman po, no? So, kung makikita nyo dito, talagang pinag-isipan. Hindi katulad ng mga previous projects namin na nilagyan ng rectangle na swimming pool, nilagyan ng jogging path na paikot. Okay na po yun, no? So, dito, makikita nyo talagang para kayong nasa 5-star hotel, para kayong nasa resort. Talagang pinag-isipan yung mga shape ng pools, no? And of course, yung mga kiddie play areas natin, may mga outdoor fitness areas pa po tayo dito, 'di ba? May kids pool, may lighthouse, may barbecue and sun lawn, 'di ba? So napakadami nating amenity area na for sure ma-enjoy ng mga clients natin at ng families natin na bibili po dito, no? So here are some photos and renderings of the amenity area po ng Light 2 Residences. So makikita nyo yan, yung mga kiddie play area natin, meron tayong gazebos na nasa gitna ng swimming pools natin, yan. So here are some of the amenities also. On the 8th floor, yan. Ito po yung fitness area natin, yung function room, fitness gym also, and we have a play area, yan. So may mga billiard tables pa tayo and table tennis. Okay? So, yan, yung gym. And we have a KTV room that you can use. Kapag meron kayong mga small parties, pwede nyo pong gamitin itong KTV room natin. So, here are some of the photos also of the amenity area. O, diba? Napakaganda talaga. Very social, diba? You can't see this in our previous projects po sa SMDC, no? And of course, lastly, the 7th reason why it is best to offer this project to our clients, no? It's because it's the most affordable premier condo development in the Metro by SMDC, no? So, meron po tayong mga ibang projects in Metro Manila, but usually, mas mataas po ang price nila, especially in Makati and Mall of Asia. Pero dito po, kaya ang daming bumibili dito, it's because it's very affordable and it's top value talaga yung mga projects na, yung mga offerings natin dito with Light 2 Residences. So we have studio units na 20.69 square meters and ang list price natin is 5 million to 5.7 million. This is the original list price, but of course we have special promos and discounts naman po para sa project na to, no? And syempre yung mga one bedroom natin, kung gusto nila ng medyo mas matataas na mas malalaki na unit, no? So we have 25.65 square meters na one bedroom units, no? Priced at 5.6 to 6 million. Meron pa around 6.5 million depending on the available unit. And of course, kung naghahanap naman po ang mga clients natin ng 2 bedroom units, so we have very affordable 2-bedroom units, no? 38.89 to 41.79 square meters, no? Depende po sa facing yan. Pwede silang mamili ng mga 2-bedroom units natin, no? And ang list price natin starting at 9.4 million to 11.5 million pesos, no? So, yun lang naman po. These are the 7 reasons why Light 2 Residences is a great investment, no? So, dito naman po sa mga units natin, so we have special promos and discounts, no, na i-share ko na lang po sa inyo dun sa in another video, no? So para mas maganda, 'di ba? So mas focus po kayo dun sa mga payment terms natin, no? So again, this project is very good. It's a nice opportunity and I hope this will help you close your sales in SMDC, no? So thank you. Bye.